In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications after scrolling down a tiny bit. Then select App Notifications under Manage. Tap on Most Recent and select one of those options to sort your apps, in my case by frequency of notifications. Last but not least, use blue switchers next to all of your apps to block notifications from them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can even tap on any app on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!